Well, we're not known as over-the-counter market stock traders here on this channel, but we're going to be looking at one over-the-counter stock this morning, and that would be Viskase Corporation. It does have relevance, though, to what we've been talking about recently on the channel, which is Icahn Enterprises stock ticker symbol IEP, run by Carl Icahn, which is a holding company that has a bunch of different companies inside of it. And there is a news article that just came out by Reuters talking about Viskase Corporation. So if you guys aren't familiar with what's going on with this company, they're a run-of-the-mill meat packaging company. I think they're based out of Illinois. A full range of food packaging solutions and services. We're on Yahoo Finance, and I found this article this morning. Analysis: Icahn's markup of meat packager extraordinary but possible, experts say. So I wanted to go over to the iPad here so we can actually read the article, mark it up a little bit, and see what they have to say. As investors and financial experts poured over Hindenburg Research allegations against activist investor Carl Icahn's holding company last week now, one easy-to-verify claim stood out in the short seller's report. Hindenburg said IEP valued a meat packaging company in which it owns a 90% stake 3 times over its market value. An IEP regulatory filing from March shows that Indeed valued Viskase as a subsidiary at $243 million as of the end of December, when the market capitalization of the company was just $88.7 million. IEP cited the lack of material trading volume in Viskase's stock as grounds for the valuation markup in the filing. Viskase's shares are traded in over-the-counter market rather than a major exchange, such as the NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange. So just one thing for the beginner traders out there, and beginner investors as well. Over the counter, what does that mean? Okay, if you ever seen The Wolf of Wall Street, in the beginning of the movie when he's doing, he goes into this, shady brokerage firm in Long Island, they're trading over the counter stocks, otherwise known as penny stocks, or back in the day they were known as pink sheets because they were very illiquid. They were just kind of mom and pop companies, usually, very small companies that maybe have, they could have like a $5 million market cap. They could have a, 20, 100, $150 million market cap, which is actually really, really small when you think about it in terms of companies, okay? Very small. So let's just get back to the article. 4 corporate finance experts and 2 former U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission officials interviewed by Reuters said that IEP's valuation markup of Viskase was extraordinary, yet market rules allowed for it as long as Icahn's firm disclosed it and could justify it, right? I've never heard of a 200% premium, said Anant Sundaram, a business administration professor at Tuck School of Business at Dartmouth College. There's a liquidity premium, and it has to be disclosed and has to be founded by empirical evidence. IEP's shares have lost 40% of their value since Hindenburg published its report. One of Hindenburg's main claims is that IEP's payouts to shareholders are unsustainable. It said that Icahn's practices of getting paid dividends from his 85% stake in IEP itself, selling stock to raise cash, constituted a Ponzi-like structure that artificially inflated the company's dividend yield. Viskase company is up 12.75% as of filming this video. So previous close, $1, market cap of 118 million. So we saw in the article that it was, 88 million at the time of when they filed that report. They're at 118 million now. PE ratio is NA. That means that the company is not showing a profit. The earnings per share is negative 21 cents. Earnings date March 28th that they had. For dividend, they don't have a dividend. They don't have a target. The average volume, wow. The average volume? Is that right? 226 shares per day? That can't be per day. Is this messing with me? I think this is per day. Wow. So there's not a lot of volume on this thing either. Well, anyway, it is a penny stock, so 52-week range from 50 cents to, and it's actually that's high of the 52-week range. Well, anyway, I just wanted to talk about this company a little bit and also show one more thing. There's one more thing that I have to show you before we close out on this video, and that is actually from IEP's LP filing, right? The limited partner filing investor presentation from March 2023. So, a few pages down, we can see a summary of the corporate organizational chart. It's very interesting to me because we can really quickly see a breakdown of, IEP is a holding company essentially, and they have a ton of different companies under their name. The Viskase right here that we can see very apparently is right here, and IEP owns 90% of the company. So Viskase, one of the worldwide leaders in cellulosic, fibrous, and plastic casings for the processed meat industry, basically making the packaging that's on the outside of sausage and stuff. Viskase company's 90% right there. Just wanted to point that out. This, an overview of those companies that IEP does own. So everyone, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Hit that subscribe button and like the video to help out the channel, and show me some praise for making the video. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, I hope you're having a good day. All right, bye.